Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are Group 5. Today, we will present on case study of logistic management and supply chain country Mexico. Introduce our member are Nur Afifah, number presency 4, Anista Dewi, presency 5, Veronica Permatasari Pardosi, presency 24, and I, Sandri Ramadhani, number presency 27, and I will be the moderator. Next, table of content. First, introduction. 2. Definition of the logistic activity and supply chain. 3. Logistic activity in Mexico. 4. Supply chain in Mexico. 5. Strength logistic. 6. Challenge logistic. 7. Solution logistic. And 8. Conclusion. Next, my colleague Nur Afifah will explain the next part of our presentation. Welcome, Nur Afifah.
Introduction. Mexico is one of the fastest growing logistic hubs in Latin America due to its strategic geographic position, particularly its direct border with the United States. Its transportation infrastructure, including highway, railway, seaport, and airport, support the movement of goods on both national and international scale. As a global manufacturing center, Mexico plays a crucial role in region and global supply chain, making efficient logistic management an essential factor in supporting trade activities, industrial competitiveness, and foreign investment in the country.
Okay, next definition. Definition of the logistic activity. According to Below 2004, logistic is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the flow of goods, service, and information from the point of origin to the point of consumption efficiently and effectively to meet customer needs. Definition of the supply chain. According to Christopher 2011, a supply chain is a network of organizations involved in process and activities that create value in the form of product and service for end customer. The supply chain emphasizes coordination from upstream to downstream.
Okay, next on this slide, I will explain the main logistic activity in Mexico. Mexico has significant logistic activities due to its strategic location and its role as a major manufacturing center. The first activity is road transportation, especially trucking, which is the backbone of distribution to United States. The second activity is sea transportation, supported by major ports such as Veracruz and Manzanillo. Next is air transportation, which support the shipment of high value and urgent goods. Then, warehousing and distribution, especially for the automotive, electronic, and retail industry. And the final activity is custom and border handling, which is crucial due to the high volume to cross-border trade between Mexico and the United States.
Supply chain in Mexico. First, strategic location. Mexico has a very advantageous position because it directly borders the United States and has access to two major seas, the Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. This makes international trade flow much easier. 2. Logistic hub for North America, Latin America. The country also serves as a logistic hub that connects North America with Latin America. There are many maquiladora industrial zones focused on export, which make production and distribution activities very high. 3. Strong supply chain infrastructure. Mexico has well-integrated highway, freight railways, port, and airport. Ports like Veracruz and Manzanillo, as well as Mexico City Airport, are key points for the movement of goods. 4. Industry that rely heavily on supply chain. The automotive industry is the largest sector in Mexico. Besides the electronic, household appliance, and agriculture also heavily depend on the smooth flow on the supply chain. 5. Government effort to improve logistics. The government continued to upgrade rail, airport, and port. Export-import focus are also getting faster because many systems have been digitalized. 6. Strength of Mexico's supply chain. Its main strength include lower labor costs and its close proximity to the United States. This makes Mexico ideal for companies applying a nearshoring strategy. And the last 7 challenge phase. Despite its strength, Mexico still faces challenges such as security issues, port congestion due to limited capacity, and administrative or bureaucratic delay.
Okay, on this slide I will explain the logistics strength that Mexico has. Before going into each point, it's important to understand that Mexico possesses several advantages that make it one of the major distribution and manufacturing hubs in North America. The main strengths include: first, a strategic geographic location, as it shares a border with the United States. Second, a strong manufacturing base, especially in the automotive and electronic sector. Third, extensive trade agreements including the USMCA and many other international agreements. Four, a well-developed transportation network covering road, sea, and air transport. And finally, competitive labor costs which attract investment from various countries.
Key challenges in logistic activity and supply chain in Mexico. First, infrastructure and transportation. Inadequate road condition in several regions, congestion at major ports, limited integration of rail transport, insufficient warehouse and distribution center capacity. Second, security and risk. High rates of cargo theft and hijacking, safety risks for driver and transportation personnel, increasing insurance and security costs, higher rates of cargo loss or damage. 3. Regulation and custom. First, complex import-export procedure, frequent changes in regulation and policies, heavy administrative and documentation requirements, and custom inspection causing potential delay. 4. Human resource, uniform training and competency level, lack of professional long-distance truck driver, inconsistent workforce productivity. And 5. Technology and digitalization, slow adoption of modern one. Limited supply chain visibility, low investment in automation and real-time tracking. 6. External and global pressure. First, rising demand to nurturing trends, infrastructure not fully prepared for higher volume, increasing sustainability, global competition pushing for greater efficiency.
Solution. The solution to Mexico logistic challenges including improving roads, railways, and expanding warehouse capacity, strengthening security through GPS, AOC, and coordination with authorities, expanding up custom process through digitalization and automation, enhancing workforce quality through training, certification, and drive initiative and reading and adoption of technologies such as warehouse management system, data integration, automation, and relative taking and implementing long-term capacity planning and sustainability standard to handle rapid process in increased volume from near hosting. Conclusion: Mexico to hold strong logistic advantages due to its strategic location near the U.S. status, a robust manufacturing sector, developing transportation network, and competitive cost for its efficiency is still hindered by suboptimal infrastructure, heat security risks, complicated custom process, and shortage of skilled workers, and slow technology adaptation to strengthen its competitiveness. Mexico needs to improve infrastructure, enhance security, scale digitalization, and develop workforce quality to map industrial growth and near hosting demand.
Okay, that's all for the presentation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.